Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's me, C here, and today we're going to be showing you how to make slime without activator. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn that post notification bell on in 3, 2, 1. If you did it in time, hope you said big. Now let's actually get started. So guys, the first step is the ingredients. You will need, we're going to make them pop up in 3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
Wait, guys. Here. That wasn't the ingredients, that was Imogen. Now let's actually make the ingredients. Here, do you want to do the honors?
Okay, I'm coming.
How do we do this? No, remember how to make the ingredients up here? Sorry, we were moving you guys. Okay, I'm doing that. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Okay, it works. So what you're gonna need isn't this okay? You're gonna need shaving
cream.
Isn't this shaving gel?
Is this shaving cream or shaving gel?
Shaving gel, you can use either.
Okay, this is shaving gel, but you can use shaving cream or shaving gel. We're using shaving gel for this, and then
4.
you need 4 packs of. Well, you don't need to use that much glue, but
we got 4.
yeah, you need some Elmer's school glue
and a giant.
Oh yeah, and then you need some sort of tub or bowl to
For some
pour your
reason, this would not
ingredients in.
poof. This would not poof. This is food coloring though.
Yeah, but it's for coloring. It's optional. So now we're going to start making. So the first thing you do, you want to pour your glue in.
So each going to do 2. Okay, so you're going to unscrew the lid. No, like the whole lid thing. So yeah. Okay, looks like it's all unscrewed. And then
you just
screw the lid back on. Yeah.
And then you just pour the glue.
You need
Only 2.
And well, we're actually only going to use 2 of them.
No, we need more.
No, you don't.
Yes,
Yeah,
you do.
no, we don't.
Yeah, you do. We're gonna use 3.
Yeah, so we don't need 4, but
a
we
lot
just
of
got
glue.
that much. But
This is a ton of glue.
oh, thank you, Dad, for helping us.
That's a lot of glue.
Yeah, so we got the glue. Next thing you do, you pour this shaving gel
You
in.
press the button. But you're gonna do a little. I'm scared. No peeps. Okay. Now.
Mo, you can do a little bit.
Yeah, and then now Mo's gonna do a little bit. That's good. And now we're each gonna mix a little bit.
Okay.
And we have to repeat this step until it gets slimy.
Get all the glue.
Yeah, we're getting all the glue. This is harder because we don't have a bowl.
You have to hold like that.
So you can see. People can't see what you're doing.
Yeah, so this is what it's looking like right now.
Gosh.
It's all slimy.
My turn.
Now Mo's gonna mix. I'll film.
This is really good, but weird at the same time. I like. Oh wow, more shaving cream glue. Oh, it's fluffy. I like it. Wait, you want to repeat?
You guys
this?
can see that.
Okay, after you're done with this, you're gonna use food coloring soon.
No, you have to wait till it gets slimy.
This is why we
Guys, we'll see you when it gets slimy. So next thing, so this is what ours looks like. Whoa!
I'm gonna help.
This is what ours looks like. We're gonna add some blue food coloring. So yeah, we mixed it with what we got like 2.
I'm getting the
Looks just like glue, but it's like slimy. It's just hard to see on camera. Yeah. There's that right here. Oh wait.
Oh my. Oh, this is scary.
There we go. Oh. There we go.
And
That's how many drops. You can do 2 or 3 drops.
Okay, I'm gonna start stirring first. It looks
Most
black.
gonna we'll show you when the reveal is ready. We did it, but like not necessarily. Like we can't pick it up. We have to finish mixing and stuff. But oh yeah, Charlotte's here too.
Hi.
So that's what like we did so far. So that's gonna be it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. See you guys next time. Bye.